Hey guys, so we are going to make our in-the-ground garden. Obviously not right now because as you can see I'm wearing a winter hat and it's winter. We're not planting anything, but we are going to lay down our tarp and all of our future compost, which is sticks, leaves, pine needles, chicken poop, you name it. And we're just gonna literally let it die under the tarp. And the tarp will also be sitting there the rest of the winter, so it'll kill all the grass, which will make it super incredibly easy to literally just start planting and moving dirt around with a rake in the spring. So let's go. That is it. The garden is ready just to do its own thing, and so we're just gonna leave it. I gotta water the chickens, well, give the chickens water, and yeah. So it's as easy as that. When we lift that up, once the weather is nice and warm and spring is kind of starting, which will be basically in like 2.5-ish months, and we'll have soil under there. We'll have something that's ready to be planted in because it'll be nice and moist and muddy and with dead grass. So I will check you later, my homestead peeps. Let's keep being more self-sufficient.